Connecticut Congressman John Larson spoke to about 150 people at the Hartford Club on Tuesday after everyone got some breakfast. Larson talked to them about two big topics lawmakers will have to deal with later this year: the nation's debt ceiling and its health care. America is almost over its debt ceiling of nearly $17 trillion, and parts of the federal budget are due to expire at the end of September, but some conservatives in Washington say they won't allow votes on the debt or the budget unless Congress takes away funding for the health care law known as Obamacare. Larson told the crowd Tuesday that could mean the government defaults on its debt or shuts down from a lack of cash. He says either scenario is unacceptable because it could hurt the economy.
I believe that Congress is on a collision course with reality.
The East Hartford Democrat said he thinks President Obama should do whatever it takes to avoid default, even if that means raising the debt limit himself without a vote of Congress.
And rather than seeing the nation held hostage or us face another fiscal disaster that we witnessed in August of 2011, I hope the president uses every bit of his executive authority to assure the nations around the world that the United States will not default on its debt.
Larson is a strong supporter of Obamacare. He says the law will bring down the nation's medical costs and help its economy. Part of Obamacare is a state exchange where people will buy low-cost insurance plans in the future. Connecticut released its rates for the exchange just last week, and Larson says that's a good sign, even though one of the state's largest insurance companies, Aetna, pulled out at the last minute.
It's a free enterprise system. In the exchange, you're going to have people who choose to participate and people who choose not to. It's going to be based on their economic decision.
But Larson says it's unclear whether Washington can reach a deal to prevent a shutdown over Obamacare. He says hardcore conservatives have made it difficult for Republican leaders to reach a compromise with Democrats.
It's become an ideological tail that's wagging the dog. It is not the Republican Party that so many of you in this room know and respect and admire.
In Hartford, I'm Wes Duplantier.